As you see, we just did some work. Let's tear down this 2005 KX250F. Whoops. Forgot I had this cool apron from Pro Circuit. There you go. This is the old way. This is the cool way. Oh, there's some extra coolant on the floor. Alright gang, that's it. That's the wrap on the 2005 KX250 teardown. As you can see, bike's pretty clean. I'm very thankful that there wasn't anything crazy. Get out of here. Very thankful that there wasn't anything crazy that happened during the teardown, like rusty old swing arm pivot bolts that just won't come out. So what happens next? Luckily, there's not too much cleaning to do. I'll clean up the frame, the engine. I'll be swapping out a lot of the OEM parts for all the Pro Circuit parts that I got. And we're gonna start turning this thing into Ivan Tedesco's 2005 KX250F Motocross and Nations bike. But if you're digging the content on the 2005 KX250F build, make sure you hit that like button for me. And if you're a new viewer, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well. Don't miss any upcoming videos that we've got going on. So, as always guys, ride hard, be safe, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace! Yeah, let's clean them up.